Hi CMA students, I am Ganesh Narvade. Exams are coming near and of course, stress, tension, all would be building. With the uncertainty of online examinations, the stress is much more for all of you. I do understand and for you, I have made this video. First, what happens if you worry a lot? Unproductivity, right? Laziness will come in preparation and ultimately you'll think of leaving the attempt or you'll be very much less prepared for the examination. And if same worry continues in the examination, you forget many things which you prepared and ultimately leading to failure. Disappointing, right? But what's the solution? What's the way out? So here I have come with solutions for you. So listen carefully and implement with 1000% commitment. Yes, that's what required. And surely you will give your best, I know. So, listen. If I ask you to think about ice cream and CMA direct tax textbook, can you think about both the things at a time? Not possible, right? Think about traveling outside for examinations here and there, after examinations here and there, and also think about preparing at the same time. Can you do both at the same time? One thought comes at a time. If second thought has to come, it will come afterwards. Again, that thought will go, another thought will come. The wonderful quality of a human brain is one thought at a time. Now, sir, what is the connection? Now, if in your mind worry is there, work, studies will not come. If in your mind study this chapter, target, I have to study, complete this task, if that is going on, you may not have time to think, you will not even have time to worry a lot. So, what's the solution to worry? Solution is work. Keep yourself so busy with work that you should not find to time to think about worry. That's the first thing which you have to do. Take all the pending tasks. Fatafat try to complete. Super fast you try to complete all the tasks. Never think what will happen tomorrow. Because tomorrow is uncertain for everybody. Even the CMA Institute, even the whole world, even you think about Donald Trump or Narendra Modi, for everybody tomorrow is uncertain. It's a fact. What is certain is today and the task what you have. So keep yourself busy. That's the first solution to worry. Now, second solution. Still many a times, even after saying this, even if you try to do this, your worries may not go away. So what to do? Now the second and the most powerful solution for you. Listen carefully. Think, what is the worry? Write on a paper if required. Sir, I don't know what the paper will come. Nobody knows. I don't know whether I will pass or not. Nobody knows. So it's a fact for everybody. So now when you wrote what is the concern, what is the area of tension or worry, write down what is the possible solution. And everybody know, right? If you have to suggest to your elder brother, you will give suggestions for 1 hour. So you know what is the probable solution. Write down that I have to complete this target, every subject, at least 50% I should have excellence. If balance 50 is 40%, I have rough idea, it's fine. But at least 50 to 60%, I should prepare extraordinarily. That is the solution. Now, third thing which you have to do is what is the immediate action I have to take and just jump onto the task and start working on it. And worries will go away. One of the persons asked Winston Churchill, that, sir, you have so many works. Don't you worry. He said, I'm so busy that I don't have time to worry. Same should be your answer. So you should be so busy with preparation that you should not have time to worry. Subject related doubts are there, teachers are there, I am there for your clarification. But otherwise than that, tension, worries, you don't have time for. Fix. All the best. We'll meet in the next video with some new topic, some wonderful topic to help you for your success. All the best for your preparation and do great by following these techniques. Of course, share with friends who are actually concerned. Right? Thank you for listening.